Hello,
welcome.
Welcome to the Fun and Learn with Aadi's channel.
Yes, we're going to...
Alright, so where are you today? You are at the construction site?
Yes, I am a construction site. I'm getting crane here.
Alright, so you can see the crane here, right? And the one buildings we are going to build here, right?
And the beams are
Alright, so we are also going to learn about the construction vehicle, alright? Okay, so we have here construction vehicle. So what are the construction vehicle we are going to learn today?
We have to put a construction story.
Okay, so what is the vehicle you have?
We have to put construction story and the point together.
Okay, so what is the vehicle you can learn?
A construction vehicle.
Okay, so what is that? Do you know who I am?
Excavator digger.
Excavator digger.
Skid steer.
Skid steer.
Crane.
Crane.
Road loader.
Road loader.
And then cement mixer.
Cement mixer.
Road loader.
Road loader.
Forklifter.
Forklifter.
Construction truck.
Construction truck.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
And an excavator.
An excavator. Hooray!
We done it this.
Do you know what this excavator digger do?
It dig some sand.
It's take the sand and the mud.
Yes.
Alright. What steer to?
This call from skid steer and there's with some sand in the mud.
Alright. So this crane. What is the use of the crane?
And this lift is a box on the truck.
Okay, it's lift the boxes and put it in the truck or somewhere, right? Yes. Okay, so what this road loader do?
It's built on Farm Street.
Alright, it's rolled up the street.
And then
what is the cement truck do?
it is make some concrete.
Oh, it's mix the cement and make the concrete for the road building or the buildings building, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's this truck do?
It is road on the street.
Okay. Road roller. Do the road on the truck. Road roll the roads. Alright, so what is the forklift to do?
It is with some boxes.
Oh, forklifter is used to lift the boxes and put in the delivery truck or in the delivery cells, right? Yes. Alright, so what is next? Construction truck.
Yeah.
Why we use the construction truck?
It will make some power and need power connects.
Oh, it's a use for transporting the construction material, right? Alright.
First, and dump truck is on sand.
Oh, dump truck used for dumping the sands and different material.
An excavator, it dig a sand to the dump truck.
Oh, I see. The excavator is used to dig the sands and mud and put it into the truck, right? Alright, hooray.